Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode questions on game 2. Okay, let's write the code. First of all, n equal length of piles, and then create like a suffix sum. This is a total number of stones from each position. So initially 0 multiply n plus 1. So plus 1 is like a technique to prevent out of bounds. And then for I in range, so iterate through from the end. So n minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 1. And then suffix sum and I equal suffix sum and I plus 1 plus piles and I. So if we don't add plus 1 here, so I think we should use if statement here. But if add plus 1, we can simply the code like this. And then, so I think we will do the same calculation. So that's why we should keep memo. This is a hash map. And then, so return dp. So start index 0 and m is 1, right? And then def dp, so this is a start index and m. And if, so as I told you, we do the same calculation many times. So start and m in memo, in the case return memo and this key like this. And if start plus 2 multiply m is greater than equal n. So in the case, current player can take rest of stones, right? All stones. So that's why return suffix sum and from start position. Easy, right? And after that, so let's say max stones equal, so let's say initially minus infinity. And then check all possible patterns. So for x in range and from 1 to 2 multiply m plus 1. And then max stones should be max, and 1 is a max stone, current max stone versus suffix sum and start point. So this is a total minus dp, so next player max. So dp and start position plus x, and m should be max and x or m, right? And after that, keep current result to memo. So memo and key is a start and m equal max stones, and then return max stones. Yeah, I think that's it. So let me submit it.